Hello and welcome to the first online edition of Icons of Whisky Awards, India 2021. My name is Sandeep Arora, and as a consulting editor and exclusive representative for the Whisky Magazine UK, it's a pleasure to showcase the world's premier awards for excellence in whisky. The Icons of Whisky are being hosted internationally since 2001, and we unveiled them to the country in 2008. Over the last 12 years, Icons of Whisky have rewarded people, places and products across bars, beverage and brands. Being the only international beverage awards in India, we comply with global selection criteria for rewarding winners, and the final list is drawn by judges in India, the UK and even with global references. I will now request Paragraph Publishing, the global owners of the world-class Whisky Magazine and Icons of Whisky, to unveil the awards presentation in India for 2021.
Hello India, my name is Christopher Coates and I am editor of Whisky Magazine. We've been very proud to be working with the Indian whisky industry since 2008 and specifically with our good friends and partners at Spiritual Luxury Living. We're here obviously to celebrate the icons of whisky for India, and this is something that we feel is incredibly important to spread the news of all of these wonderful people who work in the industry all over the world. Our Icons of Whisky were founded with the intention of highlighting excellence, whether that be in the people or the places of the whisky industry. So this could be bartenders that make every single dram or whisky cocktail special, or the visitor attraction managers who ensure that every visit to a distillery is an unforgettable experience. We're delighted to be celebrating another year of Icons of Whisky India, though of course we're very sad that we can't be with you for an in-person event, and we very much hope that we'll be back again to doing things in person very soon. So until then, best of luck to all of our nominees, congratulations to all of the winners, and we'll very much look forward to seeing all of the winners from Icons of Whisky India move forward to compete head-to-head for those global titles at Icons of Whisky Global, which will take place in March. Until then, have a good one.
We are proud partners in India and hold the flag high. Before we share the winners from 2021, let's walk through some of the past winners since 2008. The best bars, the best chefs, the best general managers, and the best companies. Here they come, all of them since 2008 until 2020. At Icons of Whisky, we adopt an integrated selection process, supporting the global norms laid down for all countries globally. which essentially means that all the criteria laid down for the US, Australia, Ireland, Scotland, and the rest of the world are all followed in India. Of course, we supplement the same by adding another layer of an extensive market research in India. In 2021 awards, this started in October 20 and has covered over 672 qualified respondents across 6 categories. This makes the awards very comprehensive, very transparent, and truly world-class. And now for the big moment when we share the winners for Icons of Whiskey and Icons of Gin 2021 India edition. We have 5 categories in 2021, though we are not rewarding all categories since some of them may not have met the criteria earlier laid down. We have also evaluated 18 months of performance, keeping in view the challenges being faced by the industry for most of 2020. However, next year, in year 2022, we are hopeful that all the winners will be back and maybe add a few more categories. And for a very significant fact, which makes the Icons of Whiskey stand apart. All Indian winners will compete with the other global winners, and the final global winner would be decided in UK in March 2021. So, may the Indian winner not just win in India, but even conquer the global stage. And now, I would like to announce the first category of the evening, the People Awards. The first award we have is for the American Whiskey Ambassador of the Year, a person who has promoted American whiskey as a category in the country. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Siddharth Wadia, the Managing Director of Brown-Forman, India. The next in the People's Awards is a person who has curated and captured the category for Scotch whisky in the country. Somebody who has diligently worked towards promoting Scotch whisky amongst the entire range of whiskies from across the world. And it's a pleasure to share with you that even though she's a recent entrant to the world of Alcobev, she has done remarkable work in promoting the category. Please join me in congratulating Ms. Ipshita Das, the Managing Director of Moët Hennessy, India. And now for the World Whisky Ambassador of the Year from India. The person has created a new Indian whisky which is doing remarkably well, has marketed Scotch whisky, American whiskies, and even Japanese whiskies. Truly a world ambassador, truly a world whisky ambassador. And it's a pleasure to share with you that this significant award goes to Neeraj Kumar, the Managing Director of Beam Suntory, India. The team at Paragraph Publishing has always considered India a very special and a significant partner. Therefore, besides these global awards, we have also created a few awards just for India. These are well-researched, regarded based on performance, industry feedback, and leadership in the segment. These are being regarded and rewarded since 2014, and we have created 3 categories for these awards: the Whisky Person of the Year or the General Manager of the Year. The second award is for the Food and Beverage Specialist or Food and Beverage Manager of the Year. And the third award is for a very interesting category, the Whisky Chef of the Year. It's a pleasure to share with you that the Whisky Person of the Year, the person who has contributed significantly to the vertical of whisky in this country, is Nikita Ramchandani, General Manager, JW Marriott Juhu. The F&B Manager of the Year, who has consistently supported whisky and the industry, is none other than Amit Sangwan, who's currently Director Operations at the Fairmont in Jaipur. Over the last many years, I have worked with this person very closely and curated and created some of the finest whiskey and food paired menus in this country. His zeal, his enthusiasm, creativity, and always work with attitude has won him the award for the Best Whiskey Chef of the Year 2021. Please congratulate Chef Zafar Ali, Executive Chef, the Leela Palace, Bangalore, to accept this honor on behalf of Icons of Whiskey, UK and India.
Hey guys, we at NV Lifestyle and Davidoff Cigars India are very proud to be associated with Spirits and Rituals, who have brought in India icons of whiskey, India and global. And from entire team of Davidoff Cigar India, we wish all the best to the winners and hope everyone does the best in the coming times of 2021. Stay safe.
The next set of awards are for the Communicator of the Year, a person or persons who have covered the alcohol industry, showcased its various factors, and exhibited and expressed support for the industry. There are 5 awards in this category, from event to communication to PR, though in 2021 we're only showcasing 2 awards. And now for the winners. The Communicator of the Year, highly commended, is Sagar Malviya from the Economic Times, Mumbai, who has continued to cover the alcohol industry and showcase its various trends. The Communicator of the Year, the big award goes to Sunila Duggal, Communications and Marketing Head for St. Regis in Mumbai. Congratulations to both the winners from all of us in Icons of Whiskey. The next set of awards are for the Importer and Retailers of the Year. This is a very significant category as it creates a front-end consumer interface for the buyer and an experience at the outlet. Broadly, these are classified in 3 areas: the importers, retailers, and the duty-free segment. Last year, most of duty-free was closed, so we are not looking at the duty-free this year. Hopefully, 2022 will bounce back bigger and better. And now for the winners in the Indian domestic market. The Single Outlet Retailer of the Year 2021 is Living Liquid Mumbai, with a classy and very comprehensive collection at T2 Airport. The Multiple Outlet Retailer is none other than possibly the largest retail outlet in Asia, Tonic in Hyderabad, which has also opened another outlet in Bangalore and is looking to expand the footprint across the country, promising and delivering a world-class retail experience. One of the most significant set of awards in Icons of Whiskey are for companies and brands who are at the core and the heart of the industry. Once again in 2021, we have not been able to place all the awards, but we did manage to pull the top line together. The most important awards are still being carried in 2021, and we'll have all of them work back next year as well. And now for the winners. This company has done very high-profile, creative rendition of the brands. They've launched an Indian whiskey brand. They've done incredible creations and curations with their Japanese whiskey portfolio. Scotch whiskey has been offered in a very innovative new formats, and the entire confluence of brands and businesses together have been put together very astutely. Please welcome Beam Suntory India as the Brand Innovator of the Year 2021.
Hi, my name is Paul Farmer. I'm the Managing Director of Wade Ceramics, and I'd like to say how delighted we are to be sponsoring some of the awards at the Icons of Whisky for India this year, and also to say how delighted we are to be working with Sandeep and Spiritual Luxury Brands. We've already completed our first contract through Sandeep into India, and we're looking forward to many more. We operate for ceramic decanters at the high end of the luxury market, and I know that India is a great marketplace for these products. Hopefully the event will go well, those winners will enjoy the event, and it's nice to speak to you. Hopefully I will come and see you in India one day when the COVID restrictions have gone. Thank you, goodbye.
Almost every year, the Distiller of the Year was an international MNC. Therefore, I'm really pleased to share with you that for 2021, we have recognized an Indian company to be the Distiller of the Year. Not only have they done well in the BII segment, they have also created a brand and taken it globally. I have enjoyed this brand from Sydney to Singapore, from Scotland to US. And I was always very happy to see that all consumers at these trade shows loved this Indian whiskey. Congratulations to Radico Khaitan for being the Distiller of the Year 2021.
Amram Top Series has been a proud sponsor of the Global Icons of Whisky Awards for many years, and we are proud to be associated with the Icons of Whisky in India this year as well. We would like to congratulate the winner for this magnificent award and to hope that in the very near future we can continue to celebrate life all together. Until then, stay safe.
Master Distiller in Icons of Whisky 2021. It's my favorite place to visit each time I go to Goa. The whiskey's mesmerizing. The company even better. For the Visitor Center of the Year, it's only appropriate and befitting that we recognize Paul John Distillery Goa as the Visitor Center of the Year India 2021. If you haven't been to the Paul John Distillery in Goa, you're possibly missing out. Next time when you go to Goa, learn more about whiskey, more about Indian whiskey, and be proud of the fact that how an Indian distillery is creating world-class products. The Paul John Distillery in Goa is a great must-go-to when in Goa. Congratulations to all the winners, and maybe see you back bigger and better in 2022. The most awaited Icons of Whisky Awards for the best bars in India. When we launched Icons of Whisky in 2008, these were the first set of awards that we recognized for the country. We followed a different process altogether, but over the years, the records have really been maintained well. And we still follow the international guidelines. We still reward the best bars in India. Only in 2021, we become far more discerning. On one side, we have grown our reach to include bars even from Goa. On the other side, we possibly reduced the number to make this more competitive and more compelling for bars to demonstrate excellence in whiskey. And now, Icons of Whisky Awards for the best bars in India. We go all out to select the winners through a massive outreach program and conduct a research across all levels of hospitality, from the industry, the spirits companies, suppliers and vendors, and even create guest experiences at the shortlisted bars. Post which, the final shortlist is drawn for all the winners. In 2021, we are pleased to reward only the best who demonstrate a gold standard in excellence in whiskey. The first bar is the Peacock Bar at ITC Kohinoor, Hyderabad. Safari Bar and Lounge, the Lodi, New Delhi. Harbour Bar, the first licensed bar in Mumbai, the Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. Amrit Sagar, which has the excellent Royal Salute collection at the Lake Palace in Udaipur. The Polo Club, with excellent alfresco drinking and dining opportunity at the Oberoi in Bangalore. What was one of the best bars in India at one time and continues to be the Bombay High ITC Maratha, Mumbai. It's by the seaside and offers a great selection of drinks and very ably managed. The O-Bar at the Oberoi, Mumbai. A recently set up bar, the Asmana, at the Ritz-Carlton in Pune, which has a great collection of whiskey, cocktails and all beverages. Spice Trader, the W Hotel in Goa. Sidecar, one of the finest bars in India, has a great whiskey collection and completely recognized for its fabulous cocktails.
Congratulations to Spiritual Luxury Living for hosting the 10th edition of the Global Icons of Whiskey and the first edition of the Icons of Gin. We are very excited to see the success of our partners. At Beam Suntory, we are committed to building long-term relationships with our partners. At the end of the day, we all want to delight our consumers. A big congratulations to all the winners and take care.
While these are the gold standard bars, who are the real winners in each of the 4 parts of the country? Let's start with the East and reward the Brass Room at the newly set up ITC Royal Bengal as the best whiskey bar in East of India, in Kolkata. The Best Whiskey Bar, South India, is one of the favorite bars for not just in-house residents, but even locals. The library at the Leela Palace, Bangalore, which is run by young and energetic General Manager Kunal Chauhan. The Best Whiskey Bar in West India is truly, truly delightful. And for the first time, we welcome Lola Nudo at the St. Regis in Mumbai. With very classy interiors and muted ambience, the best whiskey bar in North India is the library at the Leela Palace, New Delhi. And now for the best whiskey bar in India. A bar which stands heads and shoulders above everyone else and offers the finest excellence in service, beverage collection and standards in the country. It has a wall-to-wall collection, literally, of the best spirits in the country, even has its own service ritual showcased every evening and is ably managed by a competent team of experts. Please join me in congratulating Atrium at the Taj Lands End as the best and the finest whiskey bar in India. Congratulations to Atrium, all the regional winners and all the gold bars, and thank you for showcasing whiskey as a great and a responsible serve. While whiskey continues to be the world's favorite pour, gin is no far behind. Over the last few years, gin has caught the imagination of people from across the world. I was told, given to understand, that there are over 1,400 gin labels just in Europe and UK. India has also captured the gin revolution, and at this point in time, as we recognize gin as a premium category in the country, I suspect there are over 60 brands of gin which have been introduced in India. It was only appropriate, therefore, for us to consider bringing the icons of gin for the first time ever to the country. So please join me in welcoming Icons of Gin Awards 2021, a fair companion to Icons of Whiskey 2021. While the latter is in its 10th year, Icons of Gin is in its first year of inception.
Hello, I'm Bethany Wymark, the editor of Gin Magazine. Each year, we present our Icons of Gin, which celebrate the very best people and places in the world of gin today. We are delighted to have been operating in India since 2008 and are proud to be associated with our partner, Spiritual Luxury Living. Our Icons Awards are nominated and voted for by industry, with our expert editorial panel deciding any tiebreakers. In the end, one nominee will be named as the Global Icon of Gin for each category at our Global Awards. Congratulations to all Icons of Gin nominees and winners in India, and we look forward to seeing the winners in person very soon.
Yes, the last year has been a little challenging. Therefore, whilst we brought all categories to India, some of them may not be appropriately rewarded. But it's a pleasure to introduce the awards this year, and may the best win now and forever. The first award that we are giving out is for the Ambassador of the Year, the Gin Ambassador of the Year. I met this lady a few years back, very excited, very enthusiastic, with gin all over. Her smile was infectious, her knowledge on gin was incredible, and what she was setting out to do seemed very promising. After a few years, I think 3 years, they have delivered. She and her partners have delivered Stranger & Sons as one of the most remarkable gin products in the country. Please welcome Sakshi Sehgal as India's first gin ambassador, and welcome to the global fraternity. Sakshi Sehgal, Stranger & Sons, India's Gin Ambassador of the Year 2021. The Brand Innovator of the Year is an award which continues to be the limelight for all marketeers who love dabbling with gin. While gin as a category allows a lot of experimentation and a lot of fun, but some of them have really gone beyond. The Peru flavored gin from Stranger & Sons and some of the other flavors have really been accepted and enjoyed by connoisseurs and consumers alike. The Brand Innovator of the Year is Stranger & Sons for its remarkable attention to detail and experimenting with gin at their distillery in Goa. The Distiller of the Year. This is a company which has invested in gin, completely understood the category, and more importantly, created world-class products. Buying the best bottles, the best corks, and creating the most impeccable liquid. Once again, Radico Khaitan has excelled in creating a world-class gin product. I understand it's available in over 40 countries globally. Ladies and gentlemen, Distillery of the Year is Jaisalmer and Radico Khaitan for the Icons of Gin 2021. I met this young man almost 10 years back. He was nowhere close to being in gin. He was all about whiskey. He was the brand ambassador for one of the finest Scotch whiskey brands, and he did very well even then. Of course, went across, studied, understood gin, worked with the finest gin masters, and created India's first and finest gin called Greater Than, and later Hapusa. When we were selecting the master distiller, the master blender for Icons of Gin, we honestly didn't have much of a choice because the category is still evolving. But Anand's name, Anand Virmani's name, came really well and on top. So it's a pleasure to welcome Anand to the fraternity of Icons of Gin as India's first master distiller for Icons of Gin 2021. Now Spirits, which is run by Anand, creates good brands like Hapusa, Greater Than, and I think recently they've introduced another very remarkable, innovative gin, which I'm just waiting to try. Congratulations, Anand, you truly deserve it. Completely a spirits man. For the single outlet retailer of the year in Icons of Gin 2021, we are pleased to showcase to you World of Wines, which claims to have a collection of over 50 gin labels. We are impressed with the collection, the service standards, and even an outreach program where customers are serviced across Mumbai. Congratulations, World of Wine. Welcome on board as a single best retailer for gin in India. For multiple outlet retailer of the year, we studied outlets in Mumbai, in Bangalore, in Pune, down south, even a little bit of east of India. But what came very close to winning our hearts was a very enterprising project, the Liquor Warehouse in Gurgaon. The Liquor Warehouse is specializing in gin. It has 3 to 4 racks just full of different gin labels. For 2021, the multiple outlet retailer of the year is the Liquor Warehouse, Gurugram. You must visit the shop and enjoy the collection.
Hello to everyone. I am Vikram, Joint Managing Director, Amrut Distilleries. I hope everyone watching is keeping well. We at Amrut would like to convey our heartiest congratulations to all the winners of Icons of Whisky India and also Icons of Whisky Global. A special and honorable mention to all the participants across various categories for having made to the list of nomination. We are extremely delighted to associate with Icons of Whisky 2021 that recognizes the innovators, the veterans, the makers of fine spirits, and so on. A special thanks and also a special appreciation, sincerest appreciation rather, to Sandeep and his team, the Spiritual Luxury Living team, for having done a brilliant work and flawless coordination they brought in conducting this Icons of Whisky 2021. Once again, congratulations and all the very best to all our friends across the alcohol industries. Thank you so much.
I'm pleased to share with you that Icons of Gin are the first to recognize the gin bars in India. While the category is new, it's growing really well, and it's only appropriate that some of the first brands and bars which are according this respect and regard to gin are truly and well captured by some of us. Icons of Gin and now pays a tribute to the finest gin bars in India. The first bar that we recognize is the Dashanji at the JW Marriott in Juhu, Mumbai. Toast and Tonic, a standalone, created 5 years back by Chef Manu Chandra, completely got our attention as one of the finest gin bars in India. Toast and Tonic, Bangalore. Kopitas, Rooftop, Four Seasons, Bangalore. Excellent collection of gin and gin cocktails. Juniper, Andaz, Aerocity, New Delhi. And of course, Cirrus 9, the rooftop bar at the Oberoi, New Delhi. Excellent service designs, great pairing of gins, and a very fine cocktail collection. And now for the best, the finest gin bar in India. Please welcome the O Bar Mumbai as the finest gin bar in India. And now to the grand finale. 6 months of research, outreach, and recognizing and the most exciting times in identifying the icons of whiskey and icons of gin in India. A big applause to all the winners and a big thank you to all the supporters. And personally, a big thank you to Paragraph Publishing UK for supporting us in introducing these awards in India 12 years back, and once again we make a beginning this year. I am also grateful and obliged to brands like Bowmore, Amorim Top Series, Nilgiri Amrut Gin, Wade Ceramics UK, and NVL Davidoff for supporting us in creating and presenting these awards through rather challenging times. A big thank you to all the industry for supporting, to those 672 people who we researched through phone, email, and personal contacts. I'm glad we did this. I'm glad we could recognize the industry, and I'm glad that these awards happened in this time and these moments. We look forward to seeing you next year with a bigger and better Icons of Whiskey 2022, Icons of Gin 2022. But should we wait for next year to really come back with so much more excitement? Not really. Come September, we'll be pleased to present you with Icons of Drinks, World's Finest Drink Awards. Until then, enjoy these brands, enjoy them at the best bars, and continue to enjoy responsibly. A big thank you to Paragraph Publishing UK and my team in India for supporting in presenting these awards. Thank you to all of you for watching this and appreciating the work that has gone into making this happen. From all of us at Icons of Whiskey and Icons of Gin, we urge you to drink responsibly and see you soon again. And until then, stay safe and stay spirited. Thank you.